if you have a Lumixell Cree bike light, then you can place it underneath our Garmin mount, like so, with your Garmin up on top. But to change the mode, function and the brightness of your light, then what you will need is, because the bike light is underneath your handlebars, what you will need is the remote controller. And what's really cool is you've got this plug that also makes sure it's still watertight. So here's the port just underneath. Plug that in like so, and then that just fits over the top, keeps it the water ingress out, and then there's the mount, and you just change the mode just using the remote control.
I'm real